Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. In today's video, the Uber CEO said that drivers can earn $39 an hour. So I don't know if they've raised rates across the nation or if they're giving driver bonuses or if Uber's CEO is foregoing his, billion-dollar net worth, some of that to drivers. Maybe, he has too much money. He's giving it to drivers. So we're gonna watch the interview and see what he has to say. Firstly, please, every single watcher right now should sign up for Solo because they're giving you, until the end of the month, 15 bucks when you sign up with our link. And you gotta sign up with our link your gig account. They're a business app for drivers. They help with taxes, they help with your schedule. They also pay drivers guaranteed pay. So if you go out and drive, they're gonna actually guarantee that you make that money, unlike Uber. So check the link below for Solo, get signed up for free. Nationwide, anywhere in the country, sign up, get your $15, link your gig account. Okay, let's get started. All right, so this was Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi on the Rideshare Guy, and I just went on the Uber website really quick. I couldn't find anywhere where they talked about how much money you can make per hour. Maybe we click on earnings. How much drivers can make with Uber. The money you make with the Uber app depends on when, where, and how often you drive. Oh gosh, now they're really going back on what they say. They're like, oh gosh, Uber CEO talked about earnings. Let's make our website super, super vague. Okay, let's listen to this.
Well, then let's talk about driver pay for a second, because obviously, as you know, this is an important, if not the most important topic to drivers. So I think the added flexibility, same pay sounds great. But, in a Bloomberg interview you did a couple months ago, you mentioned that drivers were earning $39 an hour during utilized hours, right? Which would be period 2 and...
Utilized hours. What the heck does utilized hours mean? As far as I'm concerned, every hour is a utilized hour. I'm utilizing my hour right now. Where's my money, Dara?
3. So, we posted a clip on YouTube, very popular, but there was also a lot of skepticism about this figure. So I'm curious, what do you think about
Oh gosh, look at him just laughing on his throne.
State of driver
Look at him.
earnings right now, and what should they expect going forward?
Yeah, so he's just sitting there, ha 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 ha, those suckers. Looking up this guy's net worth right now. $250 million, oh my gosh. Okay, I thought he was a billionaire. I guess he only has $250 million, sorry guys. That was according to 2017, okay? What's his net worth in 2022? Come on, you're telling me he hasn't made any money in the past 5 years? He owns 50,000 shares of Uber. What's Uber stock price right now? Uber stock, $32 times 50,000. Okay, it's 1.6 million.
So I understand the skepticism, but you should understand, we're not going to lie about this stuff.
Those suckers. All those Uber drivers homeless, sleeping in their cars.
I think one specific addition to that is this was in
Our drivers can't even pay their rent.
top 20 cities in the U.S. Okay. So if I didn't do that,
bigger cities.
I accidentally left out that the $39 an hour is in the top cities in America. Yeah, no flippin' duh. Of course, if you're driving in LA or New York or Chicago, you're gonna be making 39 bucks an hour during busy, utilized hours. Bro, what about 99% of drivers who are just driving, random areas?
Specific.
Well, then let's talk about driver pay first.
All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Please, right now, comment down below, check your app, check the last time you went on drive, comment down below how much money you made when you went on drive per hour, okay? Per hour. I know for me, when I go out and drive for Uber, I'm making 20, 25 bucks an hour. Yeah, sometimes you get a long ride and it's like 50 an hour, but it's like you get a 50-mile ride, obviously, and that takes an hour to do it, you get like 40, 50 bucks, but. All right guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Check out Solo, sign up with our link. Again, you get 15 bucks just for signing up with this awesome app. I have Solo, it's a business app for drivers. You can sign up for a schedule here. Those aren't even the highest ones, let's go to the higher ones. Look at this, 37 bucks for Uber. I mean, you can actually clock in with solo. You know, if you get these amounts, like they do change, like this one's only 23. You can clock in, and if you don't hit that amount, they're gonna pay you the difference. Same with DoorDash, Instacart, Lyft. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Sign up for solo, get your 15 bucks. You can get started for free anywhere in the country. And on August 31st, it does expire, and it does go down to $10 to sign up. But it's still good, but yeah, do 15 bucks now. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.